everyone, this is Moshumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have created this absolutely gorgeous traditional makeup look using all affordable drugstore products, which are not only affordable, they are super good in quality as well. Beginners should watch this video minutely as this video is gonna be very helpful for you guys. So stay tuned till the end. As my skincare is already done, I will be applying this primer from Insight Cosmetics, which is the best in my knowledge from drugstore category. Who have pores and oily skin can definitely try this out. Even the matured skinned people as well as the teenagers can use this product. It mattifies the skin and minimizes the pore at the same time. After that, I have used that very lightweight Formula Wala foundation from NY Bay. It gives medium coverage and it's long lasting also. If you blend it with a brush, you will get more coverage, but as I am a beauty blender person, I blend the foundation with it to get a skin like glowy finish to my skin. And also it doesn't make your skin dry or super oily, so all type of skin can use this one. And let me tell you guys one thing here, the bumps you are seeing on my face are not acne or pimple. They are actually rashes because of the heat, like you guys can see on my neck. So yeah, my skin becomes super sensitive during the summer season. Next, I will be applying the cream blush, and for that I will be using this lipstick from Insight Cosmetics. Yeah, if you don't have the budget for cream blush, you can definitely use the lipstick as your blush. So what I do, I rub it on the back of my hand first and then take it on the beauty blender, and then only I apply it on my on the apples of my cheeks, so that it becomes easier to blend as well as it provides a natural shade to the skin. Next, for highlighting my face, I will be using this concealer palette from Insight Cosmetics. At budget friendly price, this concealer palette is super good, especially for the beginners. It gives a full coverage look as well, and as it has the creamy texture, you won't face any hassle in blending this concealer as well. It has multiple shades in that same palette as well, so you can mix them as required to match your skin tone. Oh god, I think I have chosen most of the products from Insight Cosmetics only today. Honestly, this is one of those brands which can provide you the quality products at lower price. There are some more brands as well like this one, but why I have chosen only Insight Cosmetics today? I don't know how did that happen. So yeah, for the translucent powder as well, I have used this HD powder from Insight Cosmetics. This is a refill actually from Pack Cosmetics. For personal use, this is like the best one. This one small refill can be used for a long run, and it's pigmented and easy to blend as well. So this contour refill is one of the best in market at budget friendly price. For the powder blush, I have used this mini blush from Sugar Cosmetics. See, while looking at the price, I had to keep in mind the quality wala thing as well, because you can get all these products at the lower price than the products I'm showing here today. But not every budget-friendly product is quality product, I must say. Next, for the highlighter, I have chosen my recent favorite from Mars Cosmetics. Yes, this one is also a quality brand at budget-friendly price. Particularly this shade of this highlighter range is amazing. I love that highlighter. And when it comes to the setting spray, you guys must know that this one is my favorite from Swiss Beauty. So yeah, I love that makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. So while doing my eyebrow off camera, one thing came in my mind that we so concentrate on looking good, but we forget to smell good to make a good impression. I love to smell good and I'm kind of obsessed with perfumes, but nowadays I have seen body mists are much more gentle on the skin. So I have recently purchased these body mists from Pure Sense. Pure Sense is actually a brand where beauty begins with wellness, and their products not only do a great job but also smell and feel good all on your skin. So I will first talk about that Pure Sense Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Mist. If you need to give a jump start to your day with hope and positivity, this body mist is the one for you. It is a natural body mist that is free from any chemicals like sulfates, parabens, and along with being cruelty free. It is quite travel friendly and helps you take away the body odor with a single spritz. Next, I have that Pure Sense Grapefruit Refreshing Body Mist. This body mist will uplift your mood when you require a refreshing and joyous vibe around you. It is crafted with pure ingredients sourced from nature. It is paraben free, sulfate free, and free from formaldehyde, mineral oil, and any carcinogen compounds. And lastly, I have that Pure Sense Macadamia Body Mist. It soothes and de-stresses your senses when you need to come down and make your nerves feel at ease. It has a very gentle and pure scent. It is suitable for all skin type. And honestly, guys, all these three body mists smell heavenly. Seriously, guys, they smell heavenly. Yes, and now my room is filled with some mishti kondo. Now I will start my eye makeup. As I have told you guys earlier, this video is absolutely apt for the beginners, from the products to the makeup. Mixing these two shades from that Faces Canada palette, I have applied it in the crease area and at the outer corner of my eyelid as well, and blended it nicely till the brow bone. I always try to keep my eye makeup simple, as it's easy to understand and easy to create as well. And the same shade I have applied on my lower eyelid as well. And for the eyelid, I have used this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty and applied it with the applicator first on my eyelid, and then taking a brush I have blended it nicely so that there is no harsh edges visible. So you guys can see this eye makeup is the easiest one. Anyone can recreate that. And now I will be like curling my eyelashes, and for the mascara I have used that Mars Cosmetics mascara and applied multiple coats on my eyelashes. And here comes a story. Actually, I was supposed to use that same lipstick which I have used as my blush on my cheeks from Inside Cosmetics, but I lost it while shooting that video, and so I had to use that lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics. So that is the final look, guys. This is the super minimal traditional makeup look using all affordable drugstore products. So did you enjoy this look? Let me know that in the comments. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. And if anyone is new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And don't forget to apply your favorite body mist at the end. So which body mist do you prefer? Do let me know that in the comment section as well. And see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.